$10 in 5 minutes. Just by reading articles on your phone. With CashZine, it's a reality. All you need to do is read, share, and make money every day. CashZine is an app that pays for activity. You read articles, share them with friends, perform simple tasks, and get real money. All this can be done right from your phone, anytime and anywhere. It's easy to get started. You download the CashZine app and register. You open the article, read a couple of minutes. The points are already in your account. You exchange the points for money, which you withdraw to PayPal or bank card. The more active you are, the more you earn. And for each friend you invite, additional bonuses. Now about the main thing. You can earn between $2 and $5 for a few minutes of reading. Spend an hour in the app? That's already $10 to $15. And if you regularly share articles, your income grows many times over. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.